On this Memorial Day weekend, we were out here at Bowling Green Gardens placing flags on our veterans' graves.
We have over 400 veterans buried here, and we honor them not only through placing flags at Memorial Day, but also through participation in wreaths across America at the Christmas season.
Today we're partnering with Fruit of the Loom to come out and place flags on veterans' graves to remember them on this Memorial Day weekend, because they ultimately gave the sacrifice and have dedicated their life to making sure that our country is free.
It ensures that we never forget the ultimate sacrifice that they have made for our freedom in this country.
The volunteers from Essity and Fruit of the Loom will place over 480 flags today.
Here I'm standing in front of my great uncle Roy Wyatt's grave. Him as well as my grandfather both served during Korea. This is a personal connection for me because I can come out here and take pride and remember the service that him as well as my grandfather did for our country to ensure the freedom that we have today.
We hope everyone has a safe and restful Memorial Day weekend.